Hi friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and to 100 Days of Pockets. Today's pocket is a coin roll pocket, and if you look closely you can see my coin roll right here. Please check out my description box if you would like the instruction booklet on how to make all of these fun pockets. You'll see Cindy's Ko-Fi shop linked in my description box, and you can access her booklet there. And speaking of Cindy, I think I forgot to mention that Cindy is the amazing creator of this fun collaboration. So please be sure to check her out today. Today you'll need a coin roll wrapper or craft paper tube, scissors, glue, embellishments, and perhaps a flat tag or mini scroll. Let's start by cutting open the coin roll, and then we're going to flatten it to form a long, narrow paper strip. I'm going to see if I can I might have to cut it, but I was going to see if I could separate it here like this. I don't know. Let's see. Well, okay, that's working. All right, so we got that open, easy breezy. Now I need to grab a journal page or a backing page. I'm going to use this master board that I have, and I'm going to, instead of putting it in a corner, I'm going to go ahead and put it right here in the center. And I'm going to glue these 3 sides, and I'm going to leave this one open. Since we're getting close to the end of October, let's go ahead and do this page as a Halloween page. So I've got my black ink, and I'm going to go around all of the edges with that. I wish I would have thought about going around the edges of the coin roll, but I didn't, and so here we are, and that's fine. I do have an idea though. We can go ahead and stencil this with some black ink. All right, let's remove this and see how that looks now. I think that looks pretty good. I think that's pretty fun. Now let's go ahead and add some embellishments. So I have just some sort of cutesy embellishments, and I have some die cuts and things like that. So I'm just gonna place some things on here, see what works, see what we like. I kind of like the ghost here. These are actually stickers. Let's go ahead and put this one on since I know that I like it. I have a spider web. I'm going to use that. I'm going to put this up here. I think I have to get some of it under the pocket just to make it fit on the page. There we go. Now we're going to have a look at these smaller ones and see what might work. I think this that says spooky might be really cute right across the little coin roll. So let's take that off, and that's what we'll do with that. That's going to be super cute. I like that. I think that's adorable. What else can we do here? Let's see. We have an owl that could sit over here. Oh, his branch comes out this way though, so I can't really do that. And he would look a little bit silly, I think, over the spider web. So I don't think we'll use him, but here, let me think about this. I've got it. Let's use the one that says boo. It's like this little hanging sign, and I think that's really perfect right over here. We'll put it over here in the corner. I know I'm covering the king's face. Maybe I'll put it down here. No, I really do like it up here. Sorry, king. I got this, and it's a decent size, but I think it'll look really cute down here, and sort of the ghost is coming up behind it. I think that's perfect. All right, this is it for this one, and I'm going to tell you why. I am actually going to use this as a gift card holder, and I'm going to put a gift card in here and send it off for somebody for Halloween. And I think that's a super cute idea. Now, if I wasn't going to do that, I could go ahead and add this to a Halloween journal and put a tag in there, okay? But I'm just gonna roll a different way. But here, let me show you that the pocket works great. So I could put this fun little tag in there if I wanted to. But I think I definitely want to send this off as a gift card holder. I think that's so super cute. Well, my friends, that's it for me today. Check out Cindy's channel, see what she's doing today. And thanks for watching. See you soon.